Okay guys, welcome to another video. Today we have a proof on the board. So knowing that a plus b plus c is equal to 0, we want to prove that a cubed plus b cubed plus c cubed is equal to 3abc. Okay, before we go, we know what to do. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to receive more videos like this one. Don't forget also to like the video. Okay, here we go. Going from this, we have a plus b plus c is equals to 0. That is, a will be equals to negative b plus c. And going from this again, b will be equals to negative a plus c. And also, c will be equals to negative a plus b. Okay. Now I'm going to take this inside this equation. That is, I have a cubed plus b cubed plus c cubed will be equals here to, I'm going to do something here. Just keep watching. That's a squared times a plus b squared times b plus c squared times c. Since we know that a to the power m times a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. So this is what I did here to have this expression. Okay, at this level, I'm going to replace a by this value here. That's, let me just put the negative here. This negative, this is here. That's b plus c and plus, okay, the b, I'm going to replace the b. So let's put instead negative, since there's a negative here. So I have a negative sign, negative multiplied by b squared times a plus c, and minus, this minus is coming from this c, this minus here, c squared times a plus b, times a plus b. Okay, now I'm going to develop this expression. That is, we take this time this and this time this. That's negative a squared times b. That's negative a squared b. Yeah, negative a squared times c. That's negative a squared c. Yeah, negative b squared times a. That's negative b squared a. And negative b squared times c. That's negative b squared c. And negative c squared times a. That's negative c squared a. Negative c squared times b. That's negative c squared b. Okay, now I'm going to reduce this expression. I have negative a squared b. I have negative b squared a. I have negative c squared a. So, okay, so here I'm going to factor here by negative ab. That's negative ab into, if I remove negative ab here, I'll remain here with a, and we'll come here to this one, we'll remove negative ab, we'll remain here with b. That's a plus b, since the minus is already here, and we factor here by negative ac, sorry, that's negative ac into, if I remove negative ac here, that's a, this a, we have 1a here, that means we'll remain here with 1a, that's a, and we'll come here, negative c squared a, we'll remove ac, we'll remain here with plus c. Okay, we do same for negative, for this one, that's we'll simplify here by negative bc, we have into b, then we'll come here plus c. Okay, at this level, remember this, we have this, we have negative b plus c is equal to a, negative a plus c is equal to b, and negative a plus b is equal to c. Okay, here we have negative a plus b is equal to negative a plus b is equal to c. That means here we have a b c plus, okay, here negative a plus c, negative a plus c is equal to b. So we have plus a c b plus, yeah, negative b plus c, negative b plus c is equal to a, That's BCA. Okay, at this level, we know that ACB, we know that ACB is still equal to ABC, and BCA is also equal to ABC. So A cube plus B cube plus C cube will be equals here to ABC plus, I'm going to replace this by ABC plus ABC, and this also by ABC plus ABC. That's ABC one time, ABC two times, ABC three times. That's 3 ABC. So finally, we have the proof that A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to 3 ABC. I hope this video was helpful to you, and if it is the case, don't forget to subscribe to receive more videos like this one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and share to help other people. See you next time.